So, look what I've dragged home from DJ's. It's an old piece of snot AU Fairlane. This we had it out at his place for the last Carnage 1000. Done all right until I ripped the transcooler out of it and dumped all the trans fluid out on the ground. Yeah, what am I going to do with it? Well, we're going to plan to use this for a bit of autocross by action at the Motorplex. At least that's what I'm hoping for. It's been used as a burnout car, so it's got absolutely no rear brakes at all. And really only this front bay brake is the one that really works, which is kind of why when I jumped on the brakes hard for the first time at DJ's, it pulled right onto me, straight into his fence. Needs a new power steering pump. It would need some new front uprights or struts, or at least coils, because just having a look, I'm pretty sure those front coils have been cut, and have a look at the camber on that. It's pretty wild. So yeah, stick around and we'll see what we do with this blade thing. Should be fun.